are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. Today I am going to teach you the question answers of general knowledge from question number 10 till question number 15. And the question number 10 is, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? And the answer is, I have one brother and one sister. Now read with me. I have one brother and one sister. What is your nationality? What is your nationality? And the answer is, I am Pakistani. I am Pakistani. What is your religion? What is your religion? And the answer is, my religion is Islam. My religion is Islam. The question is, what is the name of your country? What is the name of your country? And the answer is, my country name is Pakistan. My country name is Pakistan. What is the name of your city? What is the name of your city? And the answer is, the name of our city is Karachi. The name of our city is Karachi. And the last question is, what is your address and contact number? What is your address and contact number? My address and contact number is 0331 314 5792. Children, your home assignment is learn question number 10 till question number 15. I hope children you will understand the question number 10 till 15 of general knowledge, and you will learn these questions at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.